Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a minimalistic 2D logo design using the Microsoft Bing Image Creator. This software is powered by DALL-E. It's really powerful because in a couple of minutes, guys, I'm able to produce this in a graphic or logo design right here without me the need to learn coding and without me the need to think deeply. All right, I'm just using a keyword to produce this, simple images and minimalistic logo design right here. Now let me show you another example of this. Like this is a black and white creation or images or logo design that I created a while ago. And let me show you another example of this. So this one right here is a logo for an aircon technician or an aircon cleaning company. All right, so I have this colored images right here, and then let me show you this another example of this. This one right here is logo for cleaning company, and I have same color. What's really cool about this image creator from Microsoft Bing is that you can automatically add colors. As you can see, guys, I'm able to automatically add these colors right here without me the need to go to image creation or image editing software like Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop. I'm able to add in automatic colors inside of my logo, right, using a keyword. And then let me show you another example of this. Like this one right here is a electrician logo, and I actually use the same color, and it'll automatically pull out this logo right here that I can use, right? So you can again the software that I'm using to do this is this Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Now you cannot go directly to Google and use this instead of Google. You need to download the Microsoft Edge browser. So I have, let me show you that one. So I have the Microsoft Edge browser right here. So this is the browser. You're gonna need to download this into your computer. That way you can use this image creator. Once you have that downloaded, you can now go to this URL right here, which is bing.com/images/create. So this is the URL right here, and you'll be able to land in this website. So this is the website right here, and you have samples right here and ideas that you can, you know, see and create this kind of illustration and graphics and images, right? And you can create this panda bear baking a cake in a sunny kitchen digital art. You can create this wedding ring design with pearls. You can do anything you want with this, guys, right? And it's not a really complicated software like Midjourney, because in Midjourney you're gonna need to you know learn like the prompt. You can use this Microsoft Bing image creator to produce a simple images without you the need to learn you know complicated prompts, right? I actually use simple prompt with this, right? Let me show you one of the example of that. So you have this logo right here. So this is the template that I'm using to produce this image and logos right here. So when I click on this logo right here, it will provide you this prompt right here that you can use. So you can copy and paste this prompt. You can go to this image creator right here. So as you can see, guys, you have this bar. So this is where you type your command. So graphic design logo featuring a skyline, black and white, minimalistic. So you can change this into something different. So, or you can do a specific company, let's say graphic design logo for a cleaning company featuring a cleaning lady, and then you can use black and white, or you can use color like orange and blue. Let's try this one. Then minimalistic. Let's try if we can pull out image. Let's click on create, and it will automatically create your image. I will wait for a couple of minutes right here. And this is 100% free, guys. Once you use this, you will be given a 25 credits, which means you can produce 25, images for free, right? So I have 19 left more, so I can create 19 more images using this software. Right, so we'll wait for a couple of minutes right here. Alright guys, so I got a notification right here saying that my graphic design logo for a cleaning company featuring a cleaning lady orange and blue is complete. Now I can click on this one and voila, I have now this beautiful, you know, logo right here that I can use and sell to make money. Alright, it's really powerful and really simple. It took me like a couple of minutes, guys, to create this logo without me the need to learn graphic design skill. But the only problem with this, guys, is that when you click on this image right here, it will provide you this pixelated images. So if you open this right here, it will provide you this pixelated. So what you can do is you can trace this image using you know a image editing tool like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop to vectorize this image and sell this logo and make money. Right, so that's pretty much, guys, a really simple straightforward process to create this logo. And so many possibilities and opportunity with AI right now, and logo design is one of the best opportunity that you can get in right now. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and by the way, guys, I have a free affiliate marketing training below this video. If you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, I have a free mini course below this video. It will show you exactly how you can make passive income without the need to show your face in front of the camera. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Love you.